When you trade naked options, you need to be right about direction. But what if your strategy made money even when the market does not move? That is exactly what the short Iron Condor does. In this video, I will explain what it is, when to use it, and how to set it up on FYERS. A short Iron Condor is a four-legged market neutral option strategy. It makes money when the market is range-bound, meaning the underlying stays within a price range and does not move sharply in either direction. You define the range using your option strikes. As long as the underlying stays inside that range till expiry, you start making money, and that becomes your profit on expiry. The trade has a fixed maximum profit and a fixed maximum loss, both known before you enter. Iron Condor is a neutral strategy. You are not betting on the market going up or going down. Instead, you are expecting that it stays in a range and that volatility does not spike. No direction, no spike. If you have a strong directional view, this is not the trade. The short Iron Condor is for the days when nothing big is expected to happen. When this trade works, three things tend to line up. The market is moving sideways, not trending. The chart shows a clear range over the last few sessions. Next, the calendar is clear of major events before expiry. Results, RBI policy, global cues. Any of these can break the range in a single session. Finally, expiry is close enough for time decay to do the work. The closer expiry gets, the faster the premium fades. Far dated entries stretch the wait and leave more time for the range to break. Let us look at how to set up a short Iron Condor on Nifty. Suppose Nifty is trading at 24,000. You sell one call above the market price and one put below it. The premiums are high for these and you collect them. Then you buy one call further above and one put further below. This acts as a safety net. These cap your loss if the market moves too far in either direction. Net premium collected is around 5,000 rupees. That is your maximum profit. The most you can lose is around 2,000 rupees. Your break-evens are 23,800 and 24,200. Inside this range, the trade is profitable. If the range is broken, the loss is capped. Now you can see the same payoff with real numbers. The green zone in the middle is your profit range. The flat lines on either side are your capped losses. No matter how far the market moves beyond the break-evens, the loss does not extend. You can see the full risk to reward picture before entering the trade. The short Iron Condor is built for sideways markets. But every market condition needs a different approach. Explore other option strategies on FYERS Strategy Builder, compare the payoff and risk, and choose what fits your market view. This video is meant to help you understand how the strategy works, not a trade recommendation.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.